Hello and welcome back to Ficina Virtuale. Let's continue our Pulley. So in mechanical design and part design, we can call this part as ring and OK. We can select now our X plane, and on this plane we can sketch two different circles. We can fix this diameter, let's say 25, and we want a second circle and we want coincidence, or we can select this and let's say concentricity, and we can fix the second radius or diameter. We can say 10 millimeters. Okay, now with exit workbench we can extrude our sketch, let's say 7 millimeters. Okay, now we can select our Z plane, and on this plane we can sketch, for example, a circle, and let's fix this radius as diameter. We can say 6 millimeters. Okay, now we want coincidence between this point and, of course, this is not a vertex, so we need to select our structure and we can project this structure. We can change this to different line because we've got a different line as a construction line, and now we can fix this point and we can say coincidence and OK, and exit workbench. And now with our groove we can use as axis the Z axis. With right click we can select this axis and we can click OK. As always, we can hide our plane, hide and show, and we can add material. So selecting our part body, we can add a painting and let's say orange. Apply material and OK. Now we can save our file, save as, and ring, save. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. See you soon.